the morning, he told me that he wasn't feeling well. So maybe he's taking a 10 for the nurse.
Result.
Yes.
Okay, are they going to check on him?
Yes, they went to check on him a lot.
Okay.
My Lord, if I may approach our case number 2. Accused number 2, Mr. Ntanzi, like I said to the court, is not feeling well, but is willing that we proceed until 3 o'clock so that he'll be able to catch the closing time of the prison clinic, my lord.
Catch what?
The closing time for the clinic, they close at around 3:30. He's based at Kosimampuru.
So he goes to the clinic, where is it?
In prison, my lord.
In prison.
Yes.
Is he sure? Does he want us to adjourn so that he attends the clinic? I don't want people to complain that I'm unreasonable. If he wants to attend clinic because he's not feeling well, he must tell the court.
Let me approach the matter. My lord informs me that the officer that transports him, he'll quickly get him there before they close, my lord. So we can proceed until 3 o'clock.
Okay, fine. Right, Mr. Bakuloi.
As the court pleases, Mr. Sibia, just before we adjourned, you mentioned that there's no person on your contact list or on your phone by the name of Mkulu. Is that correct?
Uthe wena akekho ke umuntu obhalwe umkhulu efonini yakho.
Yeah.
Yes.
Akekho umuntu efuthe ngibiza ngomkhulu.
And there is no one else that I referred to as mkhulu.
Igama lakhe ngaphandle komkhulu bami basekhaya.
I mean which that person would be their name as mkhulu unless of my elders back home.
You see, during the trial within a trial, on the 22nd of November 2023, page 3, your then legal representative made the following proposition to Sergeant Mohola, and we quote him from line 9. Mr. Mgomezulu, ma'am, on the last occasion, we dealt with the issue of Dobsonville, where the version of accused number 1 is that you switch on his mobile phone and you scrolled his contacts until you came across the name Mkulu.
Ubufakazi ke ubuthuliwe la phambi kwenkundla mhla ka-22 kule November nyaka ka-2023 kuye kwavela ke ummeli wakho uMnumzane Mngomezulu lapho wayephenya khona umbuzo uye ke uMohula emtshela ke ukuthi Mohola wena uthi ke umangalelwa wena wathatha ke umakhala ekhukhwini wakhe endaweni yaseDobsonville wase uyawuvula wase uyabheka ke noma uyacinga waze wathola ke inamba ebhalwe mkhulu wathola ke inamba ebhalwe mkhulu.
Mina namanje ngiyaphinda la eKatolo. Basifika kulela lokishi engalazi. umhula weza nefoni yami kimi ngikule moto engangikuyo wafike wafuna ukuthi ngimfakele iphini efonini yami.
I still maintain that the location where we met, which I don't know, Mohula came to me and approached me with my cell phone in her possession, requesting that I put in my PIN number.
Wahamba nefoni yami abuyela emontweni le Golf 7 ayekuyo lebomvu.
And then he went back to the red Golf 7.
Ngithi angazi ukuthi wafike wenzani lapho kodwa bafonela umuntu Magwaza ngoba mangibona sesiyongena eDobsonville bathi ngibabonise la uhlala khona Magwaza.
I don't know what they did on their arrival at the red Golf that they were driving in, but what I've realized is that I noticed that we now, they told me that I should show them where Magwaza resides.
Mr. Sibia, we put a proposition to you and we're going to repeat it. During the proceedings of the 22nd of November 2023, page 3, your then legal representative, Mr. Mgumezulu, at line 9, put the following proposition to Sergeant Mohola. Ma'am, on the last occasion, we dealt with the issue of Dobsonville, where the version of accused number 1 is that you switched on his mobile phone and you scrolled his contacts until you came across the name Mkulu.
Sibuyela futhi siyaliphinda lolu daba ke. Uthi umshushisi ke ngomhla ka-22 kuNovember kunyaka ka-23 owayekumele ngaleso sikhathi umnumzana uMngomezulu watshela ke noma ke wakubeka kuyena uMohula ukuthi Mohula uclient wami uzothi ke yena ngalelo langa lelo uyafika wena nocingo lwakhe noma ke umakhalekhukhwini wakhe wawuscrolla wacinga noma ke wascrolla noma wacinga waze wathola ke igama elibhalwe Mkhulu kusho ummeli wakho ebeka lokho kuye ke ufakazi waye uMhula ngaleso sikhathi.
Namanje ngiyaphinda ngithi umhula wayeza kimi wacela ngimfakele iphini efonini yami wahamba wabuyela emuva emontweni ayekuyo le Golf 7 ebomvu.
I still maintain that Mohula came to me, he approached me for my PIN number to access my phone, and then he went back to the red motor vehicle.
Angikwazi sengikusho noma mhlawumbe kayi5 noma ngaphezulu kwalokho lokhu ngilibele ngila eboxini ngifungile ukuthi mina ngizokhuluma iqiniso sengiphinde kaningi lento ukuthi umhula wafika kimi ephethe ifoni yami wathi ngimfakele iphini wabuyela emontweni le ayekuyo.
I think I've said it enough more than 5 times since I've been under oath in this witness doc that Mohula came with my cell phone, requested my PIN, and then went back to the red vehicle.
So this proposition is incorrect.
Ukushuthi akusiyilona lo daba noma ke li-wrong.
Lelo ngisho lu right angithi ngiyasho ukuthi umhula wafika kimi wacela ukuthi ngimfakele iphini ngamfakela iphini wabuyela emontweni.
What I'm saying is correct, that Mohula came to me, requested for my PIN, and then he went back to the motor vehicle, the red motor vehicle that they were driving in.
Mr. Sibia, what we're trying to establish is that this proposition by Mr. Mgumezulu can therefore not be true, can therefore not be correct
Kusho ukuthi ke lokho
in
kwakhulunywa
light of your evidence.
kusho ukuthi lokho kwabuzwa ubaba uMngomezulu ebuza ke ufakazi ngomhla ka-22 kuNovember kunyaka 2023 ngeke kube yilona iqiniso noma kulona iqiniso.
Ukuthi umholo wafuna inamba efoni lokho iphini efonini yami kuyiqiniso.
The fact that Mohula requested for my PIN, that is correct.
No, the fact that Sergeant Mohola switched on your phone and scrolled through your contacts until he came across the name Mkulu.
Cha, kulo daba lolu lokuthi ke uMohula weza kuwe ufuna ke iPIN waseke escroll efonini yakho ke ukuze afike ahlangane nalezo inamba ezazibhalwe Mkhulu.
Efonini yami ngishila ngathi umhula ngazi ukuthi ifoni yami wayenzani. Mase ngiqede kumvulela yona.
Like I've indicated that I do not know as to what it is that Mohula did on my phone after I had given it back to her.
Mina inkulumo engizoyikhuluma la ngizela ngoba ngizokhuluma ukuthi mina ngithi yini eyenzakalayo.
And the reason why I'm here is to state and tell this court as to what had happened.
At page, line, we'll start at line 12, Dr. Sibanda. Do you remember Sergeant Mohola grabbing or getting hold of your phone and scrolling it and coming into contact with a number saved as Mkulu?
Mhla ka-5 kuFebruary kunyaka ka-2024 lapho ke uDokotela Sibanda wayekuhloma ke ngemibuzo kwafika khona isikhathi lapho ekubuza khona ukuthi uyakhumbula yini wena ngesikhathi ke uMogola ethatha ke ucingo lwakho akufakisa iPin mase ecede wascrolla wathola wahlangabezana nenamba ke ebhalwe Mkhulu.
Your response was, my phone was taken on the 30th.
Impendulo yakho wena waphendula wathi ke ucingo lwami mina lwathathwa ngomhla ka-30.
Yebo lathathwa ngomhla ka-30.
Yes, it was taken on the 30th.
Ngomhla ka-31 wafuna ukuthi ngimfakele iPin.
And on the 31st,
Wahamba waye emontweni le behamba ngayo.
and on the 31st, that is then when she requested me to put the pin, and then she went back to the motor vehicle in which they were driving in.
Yes, but you see, this version that you gave in your evidence in chief that Sergeant Mohola asked for your password, you unlocked the phone, she went to the Red Golf. That is not the proposition that was put to Sergeant Mohola.
Manje ke ngithi loku odaba lolu wena oluchazayo ukuthi ke uMogola weza kuwe wacela ke inamba iloko wena okushoyo kodwa ke kuhlukile kunaloko okwashiwo umnumzana uMngomezulu esho kuyena ke uMogola.
Namanje ngisakhuluma into eyi-1 uMhula weza kimi wazocela ukuthi ngimfakele iPin ngamfakela iPin wabuyela emuva emotweni le ayihamba ngayo.
I still maintain that Mogola came to me, requested for my pin. I put on the pin, and then she went back to the motor vehicle in which they were driving in.
Your clear evidence under cross-examination a trial within a trial is that when Dr. Sibanda asked you if you scroll through your contacts, if Sergeant Mohola scrolled through your contacts and came upon the number safe as Mkulu.
Dr. Sibanda ke mayekuhloma ngembuzo futhi khona lapho ku trial within a trial wakubuza ke ukuthi uMogola weza kuwe na wakunikeza umakhala ekhukhwini wakho ukuthi ke umfakele ke iPin. Impendulo yakho yaba ngalendlela elandelayo.
Your answer was, my phone was taken on the 30th. In other words, you are saying that could not have happened because your phone was taken on the 30th of May 2020.
Man,
That is a misreading of what this witness said. When he got arrested, they took his phone. The following day, when, according to the police, they went to look for this Mkulu, Mogola came with that phone that was taken on the 30th and approached this witness or this accused and said, can you please unlock your phone? So it can't be said that, in other words, his phone was not taken on the 30th.
Well, that is what stands in the record, but we'll leave it there for argument. Dr. Sibanda further put it to that that it was put to Sergeant Mohola that she got hold of your phone and she scrolled and she came across a contact saved as Mkulu. Your response was, I did not know about that.
Dr. Sibanda waqhubekela phambili ke washo kuwena wathi ke ummeli wakho uyena ke oveze igaba lokuthi ke uSergeant Mogola wefika kuwe ke wacela ke iPin wascrolla wathola ke igama elibhalwe noma ke inombolo eligama lakhona libhalwe ukuthi Mkhulu wena wathi ke bengingazi ngalokho mina.
And Dr. Sibanda followed up with a question, sorry. He said, but that version was put to Sergeant Mohola, sir. Your response was, I cannot speak on behalf of someone who said that.
Waqhubekela
I'm saying that which I'm saying as I'm standing here now.
Uthi ke yena waqhubekela wathi kodwa ke lokho kulethiwe noma ke kube ubufakazi obuthulwa ummeli wakho. Wena wathi ke angeke uze ukwazi ukukhulumela ke omunye umuntu njengoba wena uzizele wena la.
Namanje ngiyasho ukuthi mina kwenzakalani ngalela la. Umhula wafika kimi wabuya wacela ukuthi ngimnikeze iphini yefoni ngifake iphini wafaka iphini wabuyela emontweni lena ayekuyo. Ukuthi lapha emotweni la ayekuyo wafike wenzani angazi ngabona imoto seyibheka eSoweto la zafike zathi masifika khona le Dobsonville bacela ukuthi ngibabonise la kuhlala khona uMagwaza.
I still maintain that Mohula came to me. He requested me to unlock my phone for my PIN, and then he went back to the motor vehicle in which they drove in. And then thereafter, I then noticed that the motor vehicles are headed now to Soweto, wherein we reached a Dobsonville location. Then I was told that I should point out where Magwaza stays.
Now, according to your version, after you had input your PIN or your password, you say Sergeant Mkhola went to the Red Golf. Did she come back
Uthi ena
to
wena
the vehicle wherein you were?
uthi wena ke Sergeant Mohula ke uye wathi makaqeda ke mawuqeda ukumvulela ifoni wase uyahamba ubuyela kule moto le bona bebahamba ngayo. Uye waphinde wabuya kuyo kule moto le wena owawukuyona.
Angisazi ukuthi isiphi isikhathi abuya ngaso asho ukuthi sebemtholile lo muntu lo oyinyanga.
I don't know at which particular time that she came back and said that they found that Inyanga person or that traditional healer person.
Noma ubuya semthami noma uthathe isikhathi kodwa mawanginika isikhathi ngicabangisise kahle futhi mhlawumbe ngabuye ngunikeze answer ukuthi lo muntu wabuya nini.
It could have been that he came back after a short while or after a long while, but if you give me time to rethink and think about it carefully, then I'll be in a position to can give you an answer
Ukuthi wangitshelani into sebeyitholile le nyanga.
as to whether when she told me that they had found the traditional healer.
And then akhona lapho ngamtshela nathi mina ngazi lutho ngale nyanga okhuluma ngayo.
And I further told her that I do not know anything about this traditional healer that is being spoken about.
Yes, how much time do you require to think about it?
Mhlawumbe isikhathi ongasidinga ke ukuthi uqabangisise kahle lo daba ngabe isikhathi esingakanani.
Anginalo ulwazi ukuthi ngayicabanga emva isikhathi singakanani.
I do not know as to how long I will need to think about it.
But you are certain that she came back?
Kodwa unaso isiqiniseko sokuthi uphinde wabuya futhi.
And mentioned that they found the traditional healer or the Inyanga.
Uyaqinisekisa kodwa ukuthi yena uye waphinde wabuya futhi wazosho ukuthi ke sebayitholile leyo nyanga leyo.
Lenkulumo ivele nayo ukuthi sase sikuphi angisakhumbuli eswa ngithi ngicela ukuthi unginikeze isikhathi ngikwazi ukukhumbula lo nto leyo.
Yes, she came up with that statement that they had found the Inyanga. So that's why I'm saying I don't know at which point where we at, wherein she said that. But if you give me time, then I'll be in a position to can
Kodwa
rethink.
uyovele nokuthi useyitholile inyanga.
But she's the one that brought the information that they had found the traditional healer.
You see, in your evidence in chief, when you testified, you said she mentioned that she got what she wanted,
Kodwa ke bufakazi
not that she got hold of the Inyanga or traditional healer.
manje ke bufakazini bakho nama uthula ubufakazi bakho uthe ke umuhula uthe sekakutholile lokho ebekufuna awuzange usho ukuthi wena sekayitholile leyo nyanga leyo.
Wathi useyitholile inyanga.
She said that she has found the traditional healer.
No, your evidence was that you input your password or PIN in your phone. To unlock it, she went to the Red Golf. She came back after using your phone and said she got what she wanted.
Wena ebufakazini bakho ke okuthulile ukuthi ke wena umuhula weza kuwe wafuna ke ukuthi ena umvulele umakhala ekhukhwini wakho wasewenze njalo wahamba waphindela kule moto le ekade bahamba ngayo wathi maseke buya futhi washo ukuthi ke ukutholile lokhu ebekufuna.
Mangibeke kanjalo bangibeke kanjalo ukuthi angikhonanga isikhathi sokuthi ngicacise kahle ukuthi wayekhuluma ngani.
If-
Wathi useyitholile inyanga beyifuna.
If that's how I put it, maybe I did not have ample time to explain it further. But she did say that she has found the traditional healer.
Which traditional healer was she referring to?
Inyanga yiphi le bekakhuluma ngayo?
Angimazi.
I don't know.
Did you not ask her?
Awuzange umbuze?
Cha,
No,
angeke ngimbuze futhi.
and I wasn't gonna ask her.
But just now, when you resume your testimony after the long adjournment, you say, you testify that they phoned Magwaza.
Uthe wena ke mase uqhubeka ngenkulumo yakho namhlanje wathi ke baye bafonela ke uMagwaza.
Isizathu senza ukuthi ngithi bafonela uMagwaza ingoba bahamba baya eDobsonville basebethi ngibabonisela ukuhlala khona uMagwaza.
I was saying that they had phoned Magwaza because now they had led us to Dobsonville and then said to me that I should point out where Magwaza resides.
How would they have known about Magwaza?
Bebazokwazi ke kanjani ngoMagwaza lo?
Ingakho ngicabanga ukuthi bafike efonini yami bakhipha amanamba kaMagwaza bamfonela ifoni yami noma bamfonela ifoni yabo angazi yiba bangachaza lapho ukuthi bona bathola kanjani uMagwaza.
That's-
Kodwa kusala ubagcina sethi makufika eDobsonville bathi ngibabonisela okuhlala khona uMagwaza.
That's why I'm saying I think that they scrolled on my phone and found Magwaza's numbers, and I don't know whether they used my cell phone to call Magwaza or they used their own phone to call Magwaza. Because later, after that, I then noticed that we were headed now to Soweto in Dobsonville, wherein I was told to point out where Magwaza stays.
You'll agree that the evidence that has been presented before this court shows that Magwaza and Mkulu are two different persons. Do you agree?
Uyavumelana nami ukuthi ke ubufakazi obuthuliwe lapha kwenkantolo phakathi kwakaMagwaza naye ke umkhulu abantu ababili abahlukene.
Ngiyavuma uMagwaza mabefika kuye bafike bamshaya bakhuluma naye bamshiya futhi khona lapho.
I do agree with you because on our arrival there, they spoke to Magwaza, they assaulted him and left him there.
uMagwaza angimazi njengomkhulu igama lakhe.
And I do not know Magwaza as Mkulu.
Magwaza lives in Dobsonville, whereas Mkulu lives in Pambridge.
Magwaza uhlala eDobsonville, Mkulu uhlala ePambridge.
Angimazi ukuthi umkhulu uhlala kuphi kodwa engimazi uMagwaza uhlala eDobsonville.
I do not know as to where Mkulu resides. I do know that Magwaza resides in Dobsonville.
Was Magwaza your traditional healer?
Ube inyanga yakho yini uMagwaza?
Cha bengesinyanga.
No, he is not. He was not a traditional healer.
You see, during the proceedings of 22 November 2023, page 3, Mr. Mgomezulu put the following proposition to Sergeant Mohola at line 18, Mr. Mgomezulu. It is further my instruction that you immediately contacted that person who later you learn it is Mr. Magwaza, who is the Nyanga that accused one is using.
Can I kindly get that? Ubaba uMgomezulu mhla ka-22 kuNovemba kunyaka waka-23 uthi ke uMnumzane uMgomezulu utshela ke yena ke uMkhula ukuthi ke wena njengeclient yakhe uthi wena ke wafona efonini esebenzisa ifoni yakho efonela ke umuntu okuthiwa ke uMagwaza okuyinyanga yakho kwakusho uMgomezulu eqondise lokho kuye ke ufakazi kuMkhula ngaleso sikhathi.
Ngiyaphinda uMagwaza akusinyanga yami.
I repeat that Magwaza is not my traditional healer.
And ukuthi uMgomezulu mayebuza imibuzo wayebuza kanjani kuMkhulu angeke ngikwazi ukukhulumela lelo side lelo.
I would not comment further on what Mgomezulu, on the questions posed by Mgomezulu to Mkhula.
So once again, you differ from the proposition that was made by your then legal representative, Mr. Mgomezulu.
Futhi ke wena uyakuyahluka ke lokho kushoyo nakuloko okwashiwa ummeli wakho ingaleso sikhathi umnumzana uMngomezulu.
Mina ngikuzelela ebhoxini ukuthi ngizokhulumela iside lami ukuthi iside lami lithini la ngingaphansi kwesifungo.
The reason why I'm here on this witness talk and under oath is to testify for my side and say my story.
Ngoba lo muntu abathi bamfuna akusiyena uMagwaza lo abafika kuyo.
And the third person that they were looking for, it's not the same Magwaza that they got to.
You see, in your evidence, you testify that the motor vehicles followed each other towards Thokoza. You don't know the spot or the section. You drove into the township of Thokoza. They stopped motor vehicles. Sergeant Mukhola stopped the motor vehicle. She said she wants the name of the traditional healer we used after killing Mr. Senzo Maiwa. I said I didn't kill Mr. Senzo Maiwa and don't know the traditional healer. She said there is a traditional healer we used. Then this one, he said, she asked for my password, I unlock my phone.
Uthi ke wena zashayelwa ke imoto zilandelana uthi ke nafika kwenye indawo ke eThokoza ke noma ungayazi kahle leyo ndawo leyo lapho ke uSergeant Mohula khona acela kuwe ukuthi ke ubabonise lapho ke leyo nyanga eninaya kuyo nina emveni kokuthi senibulele ke uSenzo Meyiwa kodwa wena wamtshela ukuthi ke asizange asazi lutho mayelana nokubulawa kwaSenzo Meyiwa.
Ngithi mina imoto zaphuma ngaseForce zabheka ngasesayidini laseThokoza leli lokisho okwakukulo angilazi
Zaphuma ngaseForce.
zasuka eForce zabheka ngaseThokoza.
Yes, what I said was that the motor vehicles left Foslo, headed towards Thokoza, towards that area or that side of Thokoza, that I do not know.
Leli lokisho zafike zamakulo la umhula khona eza kimi wazothi ecela ngimnikeze iphini yami angilazi la lokisho ukuthi liyini.
And I do not know the location wherein we stopped and Mohula requested for me to open my phone. I do not know that location.
We've already put this proposition that she went to the Red Golf, she came back after using your phone and said she got what she wanted. And that's when you drove off.
Silikhulumile lo daba lokuthi ke uthi wena uye wabuyela lapho kuleyo golf babehamba ngayo maqeda lapho kwase kuyahanjwa.
Wabuye ngithi mina mayiqeda ukuthatha iloka mayiqeda ukufaka iphini efonini yami wasebuyela kule Golf 7 ebomva ihamba ngayo.
What I said is that after she put or input the pin in my phone, she then left, went back to the Golf 7 that they were driving in.
We did not quite get your response. Did you know Mr. Magwaza before this particular date, the 31st of May 2020?
Asizange siyithole kahle ke impendulo yakho ekutheni kulombuzo lokuthi ke bowazana wena yini naye mnumzane Magwaza lo ngaphambi kwedate zaka May kunyaka ka2020.
Ngiphinde ngiyachaza mabefika kuMagwaza ngibabonisa kuMagwaza ngoba ngazi lapha yakuhlala khona uMagwaza uMagwaza kumazi mabefika kuye bemshaya uMagwaza lapha uyabatshena ukuthi mina uqala ukungazi January 2020.
I said that we proceeded to Magwaza's place, the Magwaza that I know. And then upon arrival there, Magwaza was assaulted and he told them that he started knowing me in January 2020.
And did you know him to be a traditional healer
Ubumazi
or a
njengenya-
sangoma?
njengenyanga noma kuyisangoma?
Cha bekumazi umuntu engimaziyo nje.
No, he was just a well-known person to me, a known person to me.
Well, let us see, we inching close to the time that was mentioned. I don't know if we should carry on. Sorry? My colleague is suggesting that we should adjourn for accused number 2 to get medical attention.
Okay, fine. Yeah, adjourn until tomorrow at 10 then.